Hello healthy sweet lovers, and welcome to the first part of our delicious healthy sweets course. We will start with creating energy bars and energy bites, or simply healthy candies, only using seeds, nuts and dry fruits. No artificial things whatsoever, no sweeteners, no sugar. It's as healthy as it can get. Best thing, you will actually learn how to do it completely on your own without using any single recipe. So, one of the sweets that we will learn will be fantastic lemon bites. Look at them, it just looks like Raffaella, but tastes a little bit better. A little bit? It tastes much better. Moreover, it's so nutritious, you will not believe it. You will also learn how to make fantastic energy bars. Some of them are the secret of the people who live in the mountains in Peru. It's the secret of their energy. These are the best options to take to school, to office, actually to take them even on a hike or when you have a long day, and it will give you instant energy, but it will taste like a cake. Can you believe it that it's real? And a special bonus, we will share with you a simplified recipe of the festive Indian sweet made with anjeer, which is actually figs, and some secret spices. This taste will never be forgotten by anyone who tries it. So let's get started!